Hello friends! I'm going to try something completely new today. I've got this shrinking film that I've been wanting to try for a while, and finally the day has arrived. I've got two types here, white and super sanded clear. Honestly, I have no clue what to expect on this first try, but I'm prepared for anything and hoping for the best. Let's try graphite pencil, colored pencils and a permanent marker. In my case, it's Sharpie. I'll drop all the details on what I'm using in the description below, so you can easily find them later. I think I'll go with Sharpie this time to keep the colors bright. I really like that it's easy to correct, change or completely erase your drawing, not just with pencils but even with markers. As you can tell, it's also easy to cut. Now it's time to get inspired and figure out what to draw. Since no one specific comes to my mind, let's check out my posts and see who's been dropping comments. Okay, Gooseberry Cocker caught my eye. I remember there are two adorable doggies in those posts. Perfect, let's sketch them out. Adding a heart for a romantic touch considering Valentine's Day is around the corner. I hope their mommy love hearts. Sketch is ready, time to add some color. Gotta keep it simple with not too many details, considering it's going to shrink down and look cute. With the drawing done and the oven preheated to around 150 degrees Celsius, it's time to cook. The instructions say 149 to 177 degrees Celsius, but I'm playing it safe on the lower side since it's my first attempt and my piece is quite big. Alright, I was too excited and maybe a bit worried, so I didn't capture the process. It had a pretty scary curve while it was shrinking and I was tempted to pat and try to squash it, but I'm glad I refrained because literally in 2 minutes it transformed, shrunk in size and looked perfectly fine. Woohoo! My first try and I nailed it! I'm genuinely excited, I love how it turned out. Can totally see this being part of room decoration, a journal, an album or a card. It'd be great as a tag on the guinea pig house or a key ring. My creative brain is buzzing with ideas. If you enjoy what I'm creating, please consider subscribing. Feel free to share your thoughts, ideas or questions too, so I can keep these videos interesting for you.